We've been asked to find the x and the y-intercept for this equation that's in standard form. So if we take just a moment and think about the x-intercept is going to be where our function crosses the x-axis. So we're going to have a value for x, but y is going to be 0. It's not going up or down. So if we know that, then we can replace our y term with a 0. So we're just going to cover up our y, because that is now a 0, and we're going to solve the resulting equation. So what we've really got here is 7x equals negative 28. If I draw my line down the middle, I'm going to have to divide both sides by 7. And what I'm left with is x equals negative 4. So my x-intercept is going to be out negative 4 and up 0. Okay, so now I want to solve for y. So let's get rid of some of the stuff that we've done. Now we need to get our y-intercept. So for our y-intercept, instead of covering up our y value, we want a value for y. So if we think about it, we're going to have our line crossing the y-axis, so we need a value for y, but we're not going to go anywhere on the x-axis. So our x is going to be 0 this time. So let's go ahead and cover up our x. It's gone. And now we can solve this equation. So we've got 4y equals negative 28. So I'm going to divide both sides by positive 4, and I get y equals negative 7. So my y-intercept, I'm going nowhere on the x, and on the y I'm going negative 7. And if I wanted to quickly graph this, on my x-intercept, I would go on the x-axis, negative 4, which is about here. On the y-intercept, I would go on the y-axis, about negative 7. That's about right here. And then I could draw my line between them.